great time as we celebrate a milestone of your high school life. 50 years ago when you received your high school diploma, 54 years ago when you had your elementary diploma. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations everyone. Let's come out once again. Tonight is very exciting. Of course, we have lots of surprises for you guys apart from our sumptuous dinner tonight because we are about to start. Of course, we have dances, surprises, selection of the best in our golden night tonight. And the Holy Spirit in Davao, officiated by our very own, the most Reverend Bishop Antonietto. Yet, kabato pakpakan si Bishop. He might be coming as well to be the church hall. Kapag si Bishop, to those who are with us in the College of the Holy Spirit School in Davao, daghang salamat, and for those who just joined in here for your evening sessions, welcome to your celebration. Mabuhay po tayo! Hip hip! Later, I would like to announce that we will have our dinner this time. Mrs. Diane Narol Santas to lead our prayer before me.
Especially this night, the 3 days reunion, 7074. Bless us always in our days of our reunion. And tonight, we'll give you our time with you, with your blessings, with the guidance of the Holy Spirit.
2, 3, 4, danahin si Juliet! Na nakatawag. Congratulations sa birthday kayo. Pwede na dano na ito sa palakpong siya. With our dinners ready, please proceed to our food station. Accordingly, ladies first. Tama ba? Okay. First table. Okay. Wow, ang daming mga stunning ladies over here. Sa first table, nagkilak-kilak din sila ngayon. Mga bituin mga nagniningning ngayong gabi. day. Please put your hands together for Marquez Serrona. Hi, Sir Ariel. Yes, Sir Ariel, picture mo ang guwapo na sa screen. Oh, tignan mo. Diba? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pag binigay ng kape, 1, 2, 3, 4. Matalawa yung picture. Ito ba yan?
It's up to you. What's your blessing?
Mabilis pa lang ang kwento. Ay, si Jinoy, bakit sa screen puti mo? Ngayon na itin na bumata sa ibang Jinoy. Yan ang sikrito. Ayan. Di ba po? Di ba? Di ba po? Ayan, sige, meet and greet. Halok sa sabog. Yay! Wow! That's all fun. All fun for Joma. Bakit ito galing si Sir Ito? Galing sa Baghdad o galing sa saan siya galing? Baghdad, Malaysia, Vietnam. Saka siyang TikTokers na kalating dito sa reunion, no? And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the number 13 in the list. We have here the very energetic, very dynamic, and the hump members of Bash Elementary. Please welcome Mr. Philip Sardiento. Nauna ka mga gwapong tao. Sige sir, pakita ang katawan. Number 13. Ayan, little Lucky.
Kailangan na po kayo masakit po pa.
Ayaw po, Mr. Lucky 13, Lucky Philip. Lucky ba si Sir Philip? Ito